Hi there, I'm Cecilia De Freitas of RE/MAX Premier Prestige Properties, and I know you'll be excited to hear about this impressive and grand home with a contemporary renovation that is a testimony to the enduring quality of good design. It has generous and flexible layout that allows for functional modern living. It's beautiful and spacious both inside and out, and has a commanding street presence on a very sought-after private cul-de-sac. Welcome to 22 Tannery Court in Richmond Hill. The generously proportioned room exudes timeless elegance, and the interior is comfortable, warm, and inviting. The kitchen is a dream come true for serious cooking and entertainment, and is definitely the heart of a family home. The lavish master ensuite is a luxury pamper zone and definitely has the wow factor. There's plenty of room to entertain. It's a place for informal interaction with family and friends and incorporates a variety of relaxation zones. If you'd like to get more information about this uniquely designed home, please contact me at ceciliadefreitas.com or just ring me at 905-605-8887.